The palace challenged Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong to provide evidence for his claims that the 2025 national budget is being used as an election fund. Presidential Communications Office Undersecretary Attorney Claire Castro said that the palace is willing to help if Magalong proves he is facing death threats following his corruption allegations involving the lower house. President Marcos Jr. signed the 2025 General Appropriations Act on December 30, 2024.
Kung meron pong death threat sa kanya, hindi po natin alam kung saan to galing. Kung mapapatunayan din po niya na ito ay galing sa kanyang di umanong pag-expose dito sa election fund patungkol sa GAA, mas maganda po, dati naman din po siya na naging parte ng PNP. Magaling naman po siya mag-imbestiga. Bigay lamang po niya ang lahat ng ebidensya at tayo'y tutulong kung totoong may death threats.